guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I will be discussing you with a quick update regarding the Cognizant. And Cognizant in the past, you can say 1 or 2 months, and they have started sending these termination mails. Like why they are sending these termination mail to the applicants even after they have completed their internship, they're still waiting for their date of joining. Then even after getting their date of joining, they are receiving these termination mails. So what are the main reasons and what are the main causes of the termination? What are the reasons mentioned in the mail? So I will be discussing you in this video. So please do watch till the end. And also I will be discussing what are the things and what are the main points to uh, keep you in mind, that to avoid these termination mails and to have you a great onboarding. And so watch the video till last. So here you can see this is the mail they are sending to the uh, applicants and who have completed the internship and all this. Even after getting the date of joining, they send these mails. So here they have mentioned few of the points like why they send these mails. So first can be the offer declined. So if you have declined the offer with the Cognizant that you don't want to join full time, so in this case you can receive this mail. Second is date of joining intimation rejected by you. See, this is the reason, and this can be the major reason. In fact, before your date of joining, like if your date of joining is, let's say, 18th of September, so you will be getting this mail regarding the intimation, date of joining intimation. You will receive this mail around, you can say, 7 to 10 days ago. And here in this mail you will be getting a link that will be redirecting you to that external portal where you have uploaded all those documents, and there you will get a triggered link to accept the date of joining. So you have to accept that date of joining from there, from that portal only. After clicking on the accept the date of joining, your portal will show like your date of joining is this. Before that it will be showing like BGB completed and pre-joining in progress and all that. So you have to accept the date of joining by that triggered mail. If you missed that date of joining triggered or link or something, then in this case Cognizant will see that okay, you are not responding to that date of joining intimation and you have missed, and so you don't want to continue as full time. So in this case also you can receive this mail. Third is they mentioned that your response to our calls expressing your option to decline the offer. So you may receive the calls regarding your date of joining intimation. So here maybe the case is like you have missed, or you got the mail but you like forgot to accept the date of joining. But then also they will be calling you like regarding that you have got your date of joining and you please accept that in the portal and for your further onboarding. So if you are declining the calls and not accepting the date of joining in the portal, then also in this case it will be seen that you are declining the offer and you may receive this termination mail. Next is the if you are not replying to the mails, if you reply to the mail survey C2C portal indicating your option to decline the offer. So these are the points they mentioned, like many of the reasons, like if you are not responding to their calls, you are not accepting the date of joining, and you are not responding to the portal regarding the date of joining intimation and all the things. And last point they mentioned is the date of joining intimation not accepted. So this is the main reason. If you are not accepting the date of joining in the portal, that triggered link, that triggered mail, then it may be seen that you may receive this type of mail. So these are the reasons they have mentioned there. And also many of the reasons can be there. So now I will be discussing you the main points to keep in mind, like to avoid this termination mail and to get a great onboarding with the Cognizant. So first is the you have to accept that date of joining triggered link after getting the date of joining. So after, even like if you got the date of joining mail on Gmail, then it will be providing you the link to that portal. There you have to accept that date of joining first. So it will secure your date of joining and you will not be getting this termination mail. Second point is many of the students got like they found some issues or network issues, like they were not able to attend those onboarding meeting on the date of joining. So in this case also you may receive this type of mail like you missed the onboarding session, so you're not interested in joining the Cognizant. If you missed, or if you are you are having any network issues, so on that day only, like on the date of joining only, in the morning you will be receiving another mail for regarding the meeting or the onboarding meeting session, like 1 hour or 1.5 hour session. So in this mail, in that mail only, you will be having that HR person's mail ID. From that mail ID only, she will be sending you the mail link regarding the onboarding session. So if you are having, if you are finding any issues, please do write a mail regarding your issues, and like if you are not able to join the meeting, if you are not able to join the meeting on the time, or if you are having some issues, and also drop a query on the C2C portal also. And next is, here this is the thing, like some people got this termination mail. This is the main reason is like that. Here what the people do, like if they got the mail, like they got the date of joining also, but they didn't want to continue that date of joining, so they wanted to extend the date of joining. So they, what they did is, like they didn't attend the onboarding session, or they didn't accept the date of joining. So in this case definitely you will be getting the termination mail. And so first thing I want to share is that, so if you want to extend your date of joining, like if you want to extend the date of joining like 1 week, 2 weeks, or whatever the reason you may have, like any exams or anything, please attend the onboarding session, accept the date of joining from the date mail, then then attend the onboarding meeting on the date of joining, then provide a valid reason to the HR that, ma'am, I don't want to join now, I'm having some issues or exams or whatever the valid reason you have, and ask her for the onboarding extension. Definitely she will look after to you. If you are doing like that, you are not attending the onboarding meeting and not accepting this, then definitely you will be getting termination. So this is the main reason. Next, if you are finding any issues like network issues or anything, you are not able to join the meeting link on the onboarding date, do drop a mail or query on the same day at the very earliest you can. So do provide a reason and valid reason, like whatever the issues you are facing. So I hope all the doubts are cleared, and also I have covered all the points, like in which what are the main reasons and what can be the situation in which you can get the termination mail and how to avoid these. So hope you, if you like the video, do please share with your friends and mates, and thank you so much.